Stop it. Stop. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching our hustle combo. If you haven't seen our other hustle combinations, be sure to check those out. If you liked what you saw, go check out the link in the description so you can learn these patterns step by step and learn this combination step by step with us, just like we did here on our YouTube channel for our beginner hustle patterns. But you know, get some more flair, some more advanced combos going for you. And if you haven't checked out our free YouTube syllabus of hustle videos, up step-by-step videos, just like I said, go check those out. What are you doing? And we'll see you next time.